looks like we're getting right into it with our first stream match of the day, Justmeinabox versus PatchSlaw7. Alright, Justmeinabox bringing out his Wolf, and PatchSlaw7 is apparently a Little Mac player. This is going to be super exciting. Let's get right into it on Town and City. A fairly good neutral starting pick for both of these characters. I can see how we ended up here. Starting the bracket out with some chill music, but some spicy action. I like that little two frame there. Just me almost seemed ready for it though. Ooh. Just me does not seem to want any part of these down tilt mix-ups, but gets called out right there. First stock going to PatchSlaw, but he's unable to utilize the KO punch that he earned himself, getting very easily edge-guarded in that situation and evening the game right up. One good grab puts just me in a good situation, but PatchSlaw is able to swing his way out of the corner. Now just me is having to play a very dangerous game against this little man. Oh, you cannot whiff in front of a little Mac with KO punch, and that is going to be the second stock via KO punch. PatchSlaw taking the lead once again. Will just me answer like he did last time, and once again, the bear is there. Here we are, last stock, all tied up in game number one. Can just me break the cycle and draw first blood here? Or will PatchSlaw once again take the stock and claim the game? Down tilt into the half charge F smash. The platforms are going away. Little Mac just got a buff. Excellent parry. Is able to see his way out of that ledge pressure. Oh! Looks like a roll read that didn't quite make it. The platforms are back. Oh! He flew too close to the sun. But he's back on stage. Can he get out of the corner and get the KO uppercut off to take game one? Situation. Giving Little Mac that much unfettered room to roam and run around is a very difficult prospect to contend with. Thinking about small battlefield, decides to lock it in. Or does he change his mind? Ah, it's a music counter pick. He picked a Wii Fit track? That is such a strange decision. Guess we're sticking with the low-key jams tonight. Here we are, game number 2. Let's get started. Will this platform layout produce positive results for Wolf? The shortened stage seems to already be slowing the pace of the game considerably from Patch's part. Seems to be having a lot more trouble moving defensively. Ooh! Goes to the 2-frame, just misses it. Gets called right out with the F smash. KO punch on top. Oh, and he whiffs it. This is a bad situation. He manages to get back to center stage. The rolls are reversed. Misses the 2-frame again. Swings wildly with the haymaker, but manages to get himself back on stage. He's continuing the aggression, but that time he calls out Just Me. Gets the KO to side B, but he is unable to escape the bear, while the platform invincibility hadn't even run out yet, and he managed to answer back and get that second stop, or first stock. Just me has to make good use of his grab conversions in this matchup. Oh, gets caught out with that S smash. Patch so aggressive with Just Me on the ledge. He's not afraid at all to throw that side B. Hasn't gotten the 2-frame yet, but he's still instilling the fear of it. KO punch is online. Can he get back on stage? He doesn't throw it yet. He still has it on deck. Side B at the ledge. Oh, that's the end of the KO punch and that stop. Just Me taking a slight lead here, but it's tenuous at best, sitting at 120%, and that will close it out. It is 1-1 in this game 2. If Just Me wants to stay in the winner's side of the bracket, he has to make it happen right here and now on this stock. He has a slight percentage lead. Manages to get positioning with that back throw. He can prevent the landing here. Womack almost out of resources. Gets back on stage, but the KO uppercut has been timed out. Gets caught by the up B, but it's not enough to kill yet. Lets him off the platform. The fall through bear doesn't make it. Oh, this is a dicey situation. Even in this situation, PatchSlaw not afraid to throw the side B off ledge. Going for the air mat counter strats. Oh, but gets caught by the wolf flash so high up. And here. I think we've seen enough to know that this particular match can go either way, with the stage counter pick perhaps making a huge difference here. They've decided to gentlemen back to small battlefield. That last game was even down to the very last. Let's hope for more of that pulse pounding action this time around. Just Me right out the gates. Not one, but 4 fairs. Fishing for more of them. Nice use of retreating blaster. Oh, but gets caught in the clinch! Able to make his way back across the stage, but gets caught at the ledge once again. Ooh, very nice down tilt side B. KO uppercuts on deck, but he takes a page out of PatchSlaw's book, side being back to stage, only to get caught out by the smash attack. KO punch still online. Oh, but there it is. PatchSlaw managed to find his way out of a bad situation. If he can capitalize on this. Oh, very nice counter getting back to stage. This is incredibly important extra credit for Patch. And just as important for Just Me to attempt to deny it and close out this stock as soon as possible. Down tilt probably. Whoa! Very nice recovery! using the super armor to get through, putting Wolf at kill percentage. KO punch online, and there it is! 168, and this little Mac is still breathing. Just Me finds the bear and manages to take the first stock, but he is in a bad situation. He has to take this second stock as early as possible. PatchSlaw being careful not to overextend and lose his lead, but going for air max stuff, down air. Might have been a slightly flubbed recovery. Just Me gets the gimp that he needs either way to tie up the stock count, taking 50% for his troubles. 50% that he is already made up. Oh, that's it.
All weaklings, the lot of you.